Hi there, I'm the Director of Dental Operations for Sprott College. My name is Natasha McClellan, and I'm super excited to tour you through our clinic today. Come on in. So welcome to our dental clinic. As you can see, we have 4 fully equipped chairs. We have 1 dental radiography room, we have 1 dental laboratory, and we have a sterilization area. Our students gain valuable hands-on experience practicing all of the skills required to be a certified dental assistant. Some of the skills that they're working on right now is actually a newly acquired skill that they learned this morning of taking bite registrations. So next is our radiography room. In this room, our students get opportunity to practice taking x-rays, and again, they move from the mannequin to live patients. Our last area is our dental laboratory. And in this room, they learn to make things like they make models that they've poured up out of either plaster or stone. They'll make mouth guards, they'll make bleach trays. And those are just some of the things that they will make in our dental assistant program. This completes our tour. We would love for you to join us in our dental assistant program. And if you're interested, contact the Surrey campus for Sprott College.